This 2023 Winnebago Vista 33K is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, stove-top burner, air conditioning, TV, slide-out, external shower, smoke detector, Colorado detector, water heater, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Winnebago Vista 33K is built on a Ford chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.